Castro's daughter?
No, I am not.
Oh, okay. I was told you were, so...
I'm not his daughter. I am his wife, however.
Oh, you are his wife. Okay, so you're not working in El Paso anymore?
No, I do work in El Paso.
Oh, okay, you kind of jump around?
No, I live in Pueblo. My work is in El Paso.
Oh, okay. Well, are you aware that it is a conflict of interest as your husband has done acts of legalized kidnapping and wrongfully taking my daughter, a penal code violation? We have it recorded by Melinda Badgley Orendorf. Your husband is in some serious trouble, and so for your actions in this court case would be a conflict, especially due to the nature of the FBI and major agencies that I've reported him to, and his involvement in the child sex cartels. So, I mean, I hate to bring it to your attention and say that, but...
And all I know is that I have a contract with the municipal court. They are aware of him being my husband. I transcribe for them. I am registered with the Secretary of State of Colorado. You can look it up. I am in good standing. The charges on the transcript are pursuant to Chief Justice Directive 2005-03, in which to have a transcript transcribed for an appeal, it's $3 per page on the original and 75 cents per page on a copy. The municipal court requires me to file a original and a copy. Okay. So that's what I do.
$3 per page would not indicate a $120 fee that has been taken from me. And
I can't, off the top of my head, I cannot recall how many pages your transcript was, but it would be $3 per page and then 75 cents for copy. So essentially, you're looking at $3.75, and it would be times however many pages that transcript was, and you should be able to view that at the municipal court or over at the Pueblo County District Courts.
Okay, and then be it that the case is my case and the transcripts are my property. So, do we have the right to record in the court so we don't have to pay these fees since I'm indigent?
Whether you record or not is strictly up to the court. Okay. I do not know whether municipal court will allow that. It is certainly something that you would have to take up with the judge.
I took it up with the federal judge, and he said, be it that I'm the party, I have the right to record since I do not have the funds to pay your fees for transcripts as they have not been waived due to my financial situation. So I will take it up with the other courts as well, just so we can eliminate this kind of racketeering. So who is the company that this went through? Because I know that you transcribed them, so you're issuing them as well?
I'm doing what as well?
Are you issuing the the transcripts as well as transcribing them?
Right, that's what we do. They give us the audio, we transcribe it, sign off that we've transcribed it, and turn it back to the court.
Okay, well, I get that you're the one who transcribed the court case. I understand that. However, according to Supreme Court and the Pueblo County District Courts, they said that the person who issues the transcripts is an official company, a transcript company.
Right, and my company's name is Transcripts by Michelle. Okay. And you can look that up with the Secretary of State of Colorado.
And then how come you don't have an outgoing message, Michelle?
It must have not picked up. I don't know. I updated my phone last night with Verizon, and so my voicemail message must have not carried over. I will get that taken care of.
Okay, yeah, that'd be nice. Do you do any transcribing in the district courts?
I do.
to that case because I was charged over $120 for those. It does appear that you guys do owe me more money back. And I will pull the transcript and I will do the math for the $3.75. But still, even at that, that doesn't calculate to $120 plus. So if you could just double check for me, I would greatly appreciate it.
I can check that and let you know how many pages it was.
Yeah, because I have a document from the Colorado or the Pueblo District Courts, and it's like well over 50 pages. And it was only $25.
That could not have been a transcript of the court hearing, unless they only charged you the copy fee.
They may have just charged me the copy fees.
That could be. So someone else may have paid for the original, and then you wanted a copy, so you could have a copy at 75 cents a page.
And then what do we need to do to get the fees waived for that, since they are required for certain other cases?
That is something you would have to take up with Judge Sykes. She's the one that would have to waive it.
Okay. All right, great. Well, I appreciate you calling me back. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I paid $250, and I only got back $120 some. And even at her rate, which she cannot be transcribing and issuing the transcripts, it's a conflict of interest. And even at her fee of $3.75 per page, there was only 10 pages in the weed case for the transcripts. The transcripts that are already put on YouTube, yeah, those transcripts proving Carol Collier, or not Carol, Carla Sykes, the judge Carla Sykes, is acting against the color of law. Well, those were only about 10 pages. So even at that, at $3.75 a page, that does not justify a $120 fee that they stole from me. That's a racketeering. And they're supposed to have a checks and balances with numerous people who these hands go through, and it cannot just go through Michelle's hands. That is racketeering at its finest. And she's caught in many court cases. She works in the same courts as her husband. It might not be in the same division. Who knows? We don't know. We're going to have to do some homework. But be it that I've reported on him, she has a conflict of interest, as she cannot be transcribing in my case, as that is her husband, and she would not accurately write down the statements for the comments made. See? It's a violation. That's a fair trial violation. Big time.